I'm locking in for 2025 underscore. Are you? Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a cliff. Below you, a breathtaking view, but also a terrifying drop. You have a goal, a dream, it's calling you to leap. Fear grips you. What if you fall? What if you fail? That's how it feels sometimes, right? You have these incredible ambitions, but doubt creeps in. What if I'm not good enough? What if I waste my time? What if I fail? But what if? What if instead of letting fear paralyze you, you lock in, you commit? You decide that this year, this is the year you conquer that fear. 2025 is your year. You're going to take that leap. You're going to face the challenge head on. You're going to unlock your true potential. It won't be easy. There will be setbacks. There will be moments when you want to give up. But you will persist. You will adapt. You will rise above, because you're not just setting goals this year, you're locking into achieving them. You're making a promise to yourself. You're choosing triumph. So, are you ready to lock in for 2025? Are you ready to face your fears, embrace the challenge, and unlock your greatness? Let's do this.